What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to start a Craftsman 2001 T210 lawnmower, riding lawnmower. So whenever you sit down on the seat, you choke it and then you push down on the brake all the way, and then you come over here and turn the key. And then that's how you start it. Now, to drive, if you want to go slow, you just have that all the way down. But you have to pick this up, push that down once, and then now you're in drive. If you want to go slow, you just have it down. If you want to go fast, you just keep pulling it up to whatever speed you want it to be at. Yeah. That's how you start a riding lawnmower and drive it. Alright. Bye, guys. Alright, guys. After that video, I'm just telling you right now, at 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a face reveal. And so, on my friend's channel, which you need to go check out and subscribe, it's capital F, football, capital X, capital C, clips, capital C, clips, and then L4L. Bye, guys.